Hello everyone, my name is Tushar Garg. So today I'm going to start my new lecture on admin series. In the first tutorial, I explain you what is Salesforce, what is Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and Experience Cloud, and little bit Marketing Cloud. Now I will discuss some basic overview of admin, you can say that. Like I will discuss object fields, record type, page layouts, and lighting record pages, compact layout, and all. um so without wasting the time, let's start the lecture because I want to make this lecture very simple and easy. So what is object? Okay, so like in any database we have some tables, right? Like in SL you can give the example of SL. So SL is something like you can say that um, is a object. Okay, so like think about a condition, is there any form, right? So that form is object, you can say that. Okay, under that form we will create the fields, right? So same in Salesforce we have object, and under the object we can create some fields. So think about a condition, account is a account form, and under the account form we have these much of field. Hope this is clear, right? So let me open that one second. So if I go to the Sales Cloud, okay, then this is the account object, okay, and if I go and open the account object, so think about it. This is the account form, okay. Form is nothing but object, and under the account object we have these much of fields. So these are the fields, simple. Okay, so I hope object is simple. Like what is object? Object is nothing but a table in Salesforce, you can say that, nothing. Okay, now in Salesforce we have two type of object. The first one is a standard object and the second one is custom object. So whenever you install your Salesforce org, then whatever object you see now, that object is known as a standard object, or you can say that any object which is not having an double underscore c is known as a standard object. And what is custom object? Custom object are those objects which will be created by any admin or user. Okay, so how to create that? Simply go to the create. You need to go to the gear icon, click on setup. Okay, in the setup you can go to the object manager. Here you can go to the create object. Here you can create the. Okay, so this is how you can create the custom object. In the custom object we have test and auto number. Test is something like you need to write the name of that. Auto number is something like you can give the it will automatically increment. It will automatically increase every time. Okay, so ignore this one for now and save that. Okay, so in custom object you see that we can see double underscore c. So any object which is having double underscore c is known as a custom object. Simple. So in Salesforce we have object. Object nothing but a table, and in Salesforce we have two type of object. The first one is standard object, and the second one is custom object. Hope this is clear. Okay. Now in any object we have two type of fields: standard fields and custom field. So all these are the standard fields, and if we want to create a custom field, then we need to click on new. So now these are the data types. In future lecture I will explain you each and everything, but for now you can see that these are the data types. So I am just choose any data type which is test. Okay, now I give the name course name. Okay, and nest and save. Okay, so any field which contains double underscore c is known as a custom field. Any field which is not having double underscore c is known as a standard field. Hope this is clear. So standard object, custom object clear, standard field and custom field clear. How you can create a field? You can go to the object, click on field and relationship, and then you can create a new field. Hope this is clear, right? Okay. Now, once you create the field, then think about a condition. You have this page layout, okay? Now you want to arrange this page layout, okay? Means you want this field here and this field here. You want one more section, and you want a revenue section, and you want that revenue field in the revenue section. How you can do that, right? Using page layout. So for page layout, you can go to the object, click on page layout. Here I am seeing lot of page layout. I guess this one is the correct one, maybe. Or you can see in the page layout assignment also. Let me see. Yeah, so this is the correct page layout. So page layout is nothing but you can say that the page layout is nothing but a layout where you can, which will contains a lot of fields, okay? So here you are seeing the layout, and here in this layout you are seeing lot of fields, okay? Now if I want to change the field alignment, or if I want to add some more field, then I can do that, or I can create a new section also, okay? So section is a revenue, okay, and you can drag and drop the revenue field and save, okay. In the page layout, you can see in the upper section you are seeing buttons, quick actions, and mobile, and so these are all the buttons, like in the account layout. If you open any account, so how these buttons are coming, right? So if someone say that, okay, I am not getting new case button, then you can go to the page layout and see if new case button is here or not. If not, then you can drag and drop, okay. So this is how you can drag and drop the buttons. Quick action, same quick action if you want, okay. Classic buttons also we have, okay. So this is how you can use the buttons. This is how you can drag and drop the button. What is list views? So in future, whenever we talk about parent to child relationship, then all the child of this parent will become as a list view. So these are the child of account, okay. And if you want more child, simply drag and drop. And in future, if someone say you, okay, can you add or remove this button, can you um, add some more columns, then you can go to the gear icon, whatever columns you want to add, whatever buttons you want, you can remove or add, okay. So this is page layout. So when you refresh it, you can see the changes. Hope what is object you clear, what is fields and custom and standard field you are clear. Page layout also you are clear, right? Now I want to discuss about record types, okay. What is record type? So let me give you one example of record type. So think about a condition. I have one course object, okay, one course object. Now in the course object, um, this is a possibility, like I have multiple courses. Some courses are technical and some courses are not technical. So for any course which is technical course, maybe I need some technical type of fields, right? And any course which is not technical, for non-technical persons, for those we maybe we don't need some technical fields. So let me give you one good example so that you can clear about record type also, and you can practice field and page layout. So I am creating one field. Are you give science marks. Okay, or give your 12th percentage. Okay, and one field I tell is a checkbox field, or I can write rate yourself in art. So art is not a technical thing, you can say that, right? So now I create two field. Give me your 12th marks and rate yourself in art. So now if I am think about a condition like if I create one course which is BTech. So for the BTech course, I don't think we need this field, because if I am doing graduation in, if I am doing BTech, if I want to become an engineer, uh, there are no matter how much alt marks I have, right? It's okay if I get zero also in alt, but if I am good in 12th, if I have good percentage in 12th, then I am good in technical also, right? Not sure, but yeah, something like that. So now I'm creating two page layout. Okay, technical. Okay, so for technical page layout, I don't want this field, right? Now I'm going to create one more page layout, non-technical. Okay, and for non-technical, I don't want this field. Save. Now let me go to the record type. Now the problem is, understand the problem. The problem is, if my course is BTech, then I want to show this page layout, right? And if my course is BBA or BA, then I need this layout, right? Because then alt marks is also important for me, right? So how I show these layouts, how I can, so I can do something like, so that for BTech I can see these layout, and for non BTech person I can see this layout using record type. So I will create one record type, same, technical. Okay, and for this page, what page layout I need to assign? Technical page layout. Save and nest. Okay, and for this what page layout we need to assign? Non-technical. Simple, right? So this is what a record type. So now when you open course tab, so currently tab is not created, so I need to create a tab. So you need to go to setup and create a tab. What a tab? Whatever you see here. So here now you are not seeing course. If I search here, you are not seeing courses, right? So for this we need to create a tab. So we go to custom tab, course, choose anything, nest, save. Okay, so now this tab is coming, and if I click on new, you see that two layout technical. So when you go to technical, you see give me your 12 percentage, And when you go to the non-technical, it will asking you, tell me, rate in yourself in your alt. Hope you understand the record type. So record type is nothing but like using record type, you can show different page layout to the user. Simple. So field and relationship you understand, page layout you understand, record types you understand. The last thing I want to discuss is compact layout. Another topic I will discuss later. So what is compact layout? Okay. So if I go to the account, so whatever the fields you are seeing here, those fields are coming with compact layout. Okay. So yes, you need to go to the system default. If you want to add or remove any field, you can go and click on, okay, this is clone, and you can create some more compact layout. Okay. So let me do one thing. Let me create one more compact layout. And I want to add these two fields only. Okay. Okay, now I need to assign that. So let me assign this layout. Okay, now if I go and refresh, sometimes Salesforce will take time, so you can log in and log out also. So once you do log in and log out, you will see that layout will gone and you can see only these fields. Okay, so this is what compact layout will do. Hope you understand that. Okay, so yeah, so these are the topics which I want to discuss in this lecture. In future I will discuss more on the new lectures. So thank you so much for joining this tutorial. Bye.